Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 GMC Yukon XL. Based on the same exact platform as the Chevrolet Suburban, the Yukon XL steps up the luxury and the size from the normal Yukon. I mean, even the gas cap is massive. Requires 91 octane because this is the 6.2 out of the Camaro. I will go back into the backseat area in a bit. Here is the Yukon XL's party trick. Look at this. I mean, can't even touch the back seats. So, to solve that problem, just put them back down. You can also lower the rear seats by pushing those buttons, but you have to go in the side to open them up, or bring them back up, I should say. Onyx black over dark walnut and ash gray. This is the Denali Premium package with the rear seat media system. The Denali Premium $7,000. The rear seats $1,900, right under $2,000. Max trailering package. So pretty much, I just reviewed a normal Yukon and it was optioned the exact same way for a total price of $84,550. Not that bad for what you get. This has magnetic ride control and a bunch of other really nice goodies. I do love the front end design on the Yukon. It just looks the part. Now this does have the screen protector on. And this is probably the best navigation system I've used. Rotate it, bring it in, bring it out. It's just phenomenal. And then you have a metric ton of rear seat room. Even lower that down, put your legs up. Not what it was designed for, but you can use it like that. Love that they added leather right here for your arm. USB-C charging. Of course, you have seat belts back here. Right. Front cabin area is very similar to the normal Yukon, if not the exact same. Wireless charging down here with a 12-volt outlet, USB-C and USB-A, I think is what they call it. Virtual rear view mirror. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead, take it for a drive. 10-speed automatic, just like the normal Yukon. Shifts like butter. Let's avoid the trash bag. Yeah, that's great. Save the turtles. But, well, let's put trash bags right in the middle of the road. Does, as you now notice, feature auto start stop. Can be turned on and disabled by a push of the button right here. Or if you want to just quickly disable it, lift your foot off the brake and then just put it right back on. Or start to release pressure, I should say. Don't fully take your foot off the brake. Now what's pretty unique is I cannot find any badging on the vehicle itself that says Yukon XL. Previous gen you'd have Yukon XL on the badging. This does not have that. It's pretty cool, and you're really not going to be able to tell. I had the sticker and our stock number both said 2021 XL. But you're not going to tell unless you know what you're looking for. You know, the longer wheelbase, longer back area. So it's pretty cool to, you know, as Yukon enthusiasts or suburban enthusiasts, it's pretty unique to see them and be like, oh, that's them. The Suburban, of course, is different from the Tahoe in the name, so you'll be able to easily distinguish those, as long as you can see the back area or the side. The ride is phenomenal. This does feature magnetic ride control. Shocks are magnetic, so they can adjust to potholes and stuff like that. It is absolute butter. Cannot complain at all about it. So, you know what? We'll try the turning circle, show that off. For this big of a vehicle, that's not bad. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.